Hello friends, welcome back to the video series on basics of shell scripting. In the previous video, already we have discussed how we can use the function in the bash shell script. In this video, we will discuss how we can use the local variable in the shell script. Whatever the variables we use in the scripts normally, we use the global variable, which can be accessed from anywhere within the script. So how we can use the local variable? Let us create a script, and for that we are opening or editing the script hello.sh. So here function print name is the first one. We are providing the variable name. Name is equal to $1. After that, the line echo the name is colon $name, end of the double quote, and also end of the curly brace. Ctrl S to save the file. Once again, we have not called the function with any argument. So here at the first time we are calling the function print with the first one argument, and also only one argument is there with the $1. We are passing the value as Shumun. So print Shumun. So this is the first argument when we are accessing the function named as print. So in the line number 4, we have name is equal to $1, means the first argument we are passing would be stored in the variable name. Let us save the file and let's check what should be the output. Ctrl S to save the file, and we are proceeding to find out the output. Ctrl L to clear the terminal. Bash hello.sh, and the name is Shumun. So that is the output, and that is perfect. And here the Shumun, that value has been passed in the line number 4 as $1 with the assignment in the variable as Shumun. So echo the name is $name, that means the Shumun is the output here. Now we are changing or editing the script once more, and here we are proceeding with the both local and global variable. Function print name is equal to $1 echo, and here the name is $name. That's okay. And after that, once again we are providing another variable, and also with the same name, that is name, and here we are providing the value of the name variable, that is Dishan, and once again we are providing echo, and here the global variable name is colon with $name. Let's check what happens with the output, and once again we are calling the function print with the argument Shumun. Ctrl S to save the script. Let's check what should be the output. So open the terminal and bash hello.sh. Already you can see the global variable name is Dishan, and the name is Shumun from the statement in the script print Shumun. So practically here we can write down the local variable. Ctrl S, and you can check the output once again. The global variable name is Dishan, the local variable name is Suman. So what happens here? Here once again we can view the script now. Scripting execution start from the line 8, that means name is equal to Dishan. Then name is assigned with the value, that is Dishan. Now the 9th line echo, the global variable name is $name. That means here the content of the global variable, that is Dishan, is printing here. Now the line number 11 print Suman, that means the print function sends the argument, and the argument here is the Suman, and the name variable in the function print is assigned, that means the variable name is assigned with the argument Suman. And here the line number 5, that is in between the print function, the echo executes the variable name, the local variable name is $name, executes the name variable content that is already has the value Suman. So that's why the name variable in between the print function here is locally available to the function print. That's why it is known as the local variable. But here the name variable is globally accepted throughout the script. So that's why it is known as the global variable. Now we can edit the script once again. Just here we are changing the script of the line number 8 as a comment line. Ctrl S to save the script. So that means here we are removing the global variable name. And let's check what happens with the output. So here bash hello.sh. Now you can check the global variable name is not provided here, but the local variable name Suman is provided here. This is because the global variable is not assigned here. That's why the global variable name $name cannot provide any value with the output. Now sometimes it is required or important to make the variable inside a function as local. In that case, the variable declared in the function is not accessible from anywhere as in global variable. It can be accessed from anywhere in the script. To make any variable as local inside any function, use the local keyword before the variable, and that would be better for any local variable. So here let us edit the script once again. Suppose here we are writing the name before $name, and we are removing that line from here, and here we are providing like that name Dishan, and here we are providing Ctrl V the name before $name, and after the line the name before we are providing print Suman, and here we are writing the name after. Now check the name before and after name. So Ctrl S to save the script. Let's check what happens with the output. Once again Ctrl L to clear the terminal or the screen. Bash hello.sh. The name before was Dishan and the name after Sumun. Practically what happens? Name is equal to Dishan is a global variable, that name variable. So whatever we are typing here, the name before the output $name is taking from the value from the global variable name. But after that, the print Sumun, that means the argument Sumun has been passed to the function print, and echo the name after is just like from the variable name from the inside of the function print. That described that the variable name declared inside the function is a global variable by nature. Otherwise, we cannot access it outside of the function. So whatever we have said, that whenever we are writing or declaring any variable inside the function name, that's a local variable, practically that is not true. If that name is not global, we cannot access it from outside of the function. So practically that name variable is by nature not local, it is global. So to make the variable name as the local to function print, we have to use the keyword, and that one is known as the local. Once again, the global variable can be accessed from anywhere in the script, but at that moment we are providing the variable name that was before declared inside the function print, and we can access it outside of the print function. But here we are using the local keyword. Control S to save the script. Now check what is the output. Bash hello.sh. Now check the output. Both are Dishan, as here the local name, that means that variable has been described as a local variable, and we cannot access that $name from inside of the print function. So whatever the $name, both the time we are accessing, that is from the global variable name. That's why it has been assigned as the value Dishan. So in both the cases the outputs are Dishan. Now suppose here we are changing another one, that is, or adding another line, echo $name. At that moment we are accessing the file. At that moment we are accessing the variable $name inside of the function. So what is the output here? Bash hello.sh. The name before, that is accessing from the first one, that means as a global variable. Second one, print Sumun, and we are calling the function print. We are passing the argument Sumun. So Sumun is here as $1, and the local variable name has been assigned with the value Sumun. After that the line echo $name. So the Sumun would be the output, and that is here. After that once again echo the name after $name, but here the $name means that variable name is from the global variable name, and that's why the output is the name after is Dishan. So the variable name inside the function has been declared as local to the function print with the help of the keyword, that is local. So last line in the script is now giving the value of the name as from the global variable, that is name, and assigned as Dishan. So that is how we can use the local and global variable inside the shell script or with the help of the function in the bash shell script. If you find the video is useful, you can like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel.